Courtesy, courtesy, courtesy. 1. Polite behavior that shows respect for other people. You should always show courtesy to others in public. He didn't even have the courtesy to say thank you. 2. A polite action or remark. The waiter offered them water as a courtesy. She smiled out of courtesy, not because she meant it. Use courtesy when talking about politeness, respect, or a kind action done out of good manners. It's often expected in social or formal situations. It's been a pleasure having you here. See you around. Bye.